In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate objects in draw.io. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to draw.io. Depending on your location, you might see it branded as diagrams.net. That's the same application, so you're in the right place. Once the editor loads and your diagram is visible on the canvas, you're ready to go. If you encounter a quick prompt asking where to store files, just proceed with the default option so you can get straight to editing. Next, select the object you want to rotate. Click once on the shape, image, or icon in your diagram. You'll know it's selected when you see the selection outline and resize handles around it. Be careful not to double-click unless you intend to edit its text. A single click is all you need here. With the object selected, look toward the top right edge of the selection box. You'll see a small circular arrow. This is the rotation handle. Move your cursor directly over that handle until it changes to indicate rotation. Now click and drag that circular arrow to rotate the object. As you drag, you'll see the shape smoothly turn around its center. If you want clean, precise angles like 0, 45, 90, or 180 degrees, hold the Shift key while you rotate to snap to common increments. If you're making a subtle adjustment or working on a tiny shape, consider zooming in first so your movement is more controlled. Watch the object's alignment relative to any nearby connectors or grid lines, and release the mouse when the angle looks right. If you overshoot, no worries, just drag again to adjust, or use undo to step back instantly. A couple of quick tips to keep things tidy. If your object has a text label, check that the text still reads comfortably after rotation, especially for steep angles. If connectors look a little off after rotating a shape that's part of a flow, select the connector endpoints and let them snap back to the nearest side for a clean layout. And if rotation feels jumpy, zoom in a bit more to fine-tune the angle with smaller movements. That's all there is to it. You went to draw.io, selected the object you wanted to change, and used the rotation handle to turn it exactly where you wanted. Take a moment to click off the shape to see the final result in context. With this simple technique, you can tilt icons for emphasis, angle arrows for better flow, and give your diagrams a more polished, intentional look. Thanks for watching, and enjoy refining your diagrams with precise rotations.